Pain just pills. Na na.
ऐसे अभी तो कुकिंग करने वाली है।
हाँ आज हम बनाएंगे।
Thank you. टाटा सरागे।
Oh my god, that is too much light. Hello beautiful people, I'm Richa Rafal and welcome back to my channel Desired Mess. It is Eat It or Wear It challenge. And आज इस challenge में मेरा साथ देने आई है my childhood friend. No, she's not my childhood friend, but she's my best friend.
My best friend, I love you. My best friend, I love you.
Annie Jones. Play the drum. Hi Annie.
Hi Richa.
Hi Annie.
Hi Richa.
We are actually very excited.
Yeah.
We have finally decided to do this challenge because when I was explaining this challenge to her, and she was like, "No, मुझे नहीं करना." I was like, "Yes, this is exactly what you're going to do."
Yeah.
So the rules are simple. So this is Chotu, and Chotu has a lot of chits in it. Okay, इसमें ये टेबल पे जितने भी ingredients है, वो सारा कुछ का जो नाम है इसके अंदर डाला है. We have to pick a chit. If I pick up, for example, atta, I have to either eat it or wear it. If I choose to eat it, then Nancy will have to wear it. If I choose to wear it, Nancy will have to eat it. That is the case with every ingredients over here. Are you ready?
Yeah. No, but I'm not. Yeah, but I'm.
Okay, let's get started.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Nancy, since you're a guest on my channel,
Okay, sure.
on my imaginary show, you go first.
It's oil.
Okay, it's parachute oil, and Nancy is about to.
What? Wait, let me think. Let me think. I'll wear it.
Yay! I didn't want to wear it. Okay, but I don't want to eat it either.
Yeah. Stumpy हो
Okay.
जाए.
You cannot put like a drop or something. You have to put like.
Okay. Okay. So चल मसाज ही दूँगी.
Okay. That's the spirit. I hate applying oil.
Hey, I love it. It's your chance.
हाँ, I think it's the next
No,
challenge.
no. It's your chance. अच्छे से
तू
ले.
ऐसे करेगी तो मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है.
Oh, babe. थोड़ा सा. Yeah.
बस ना.
थोड़ा. वधी. तेरा पेट खराब हो जाएगा.
Okay guys, for you all. Make sure you all like, share and subscribe right now. Like subscribe करो जाके पहले.
जान दे रहे हम लोग.
वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पे फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए.
Okay.
Babe.
That was instant taste of Kerala. Right in my mouth. I know it's a very stereotypical sentence, but yeah, मुझे केरला का याद आया ये खा के. Okay,
कैसा लग रहा
let's
है?
move
कैसा
ahead.
लग रहा है?
Very bad. Okay, I just picked up.
Oh,
I have
God.
lipstick.
Oh no.
So
No.
lipstick का twist is, so this shade now it's a very light shade. Okay, so for me this does not work for me. So ये मेरा skin tone को suit ही नहीं करता है. So I will not wear this lipstick. I will eat the lipstick. And
तो
I
मेरा
want.
स्किन टोन को भी सूट नहीं करता है मेरी.
हाँ क्या
मेरा स्किन टोन को
क्या बोल रहा है?
क्या बोला तूने? नहीं पहले क्या बोला? चल.
So I want Angie to wear it. I'm going to eat it. I'll do this. This is like.
Yeah.
Okay, I have taken enough amount.
Oh! How does it taste?
That's bad. It's like coconut oil plus lipstick. Okay, fine. Let's move
अच्छा मैंने
ahead. Oh shit, yeah.
no.
Come on, Angie.
Okay, thank you. टाटा सरागे.
बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया.
But I think you will carry it. I can still taste the lipstick.
I'm looking so bad.
You have to be. Wait, bro. आटा वगैरह बाकी है. There is so much. अभी तो you're just starting.
यही चांस है तेरा. Oh shit.
Wow, that's such a perfect heart. Yeah, this is such a nice heart. Just like mine. very cute. Huh?
Wanna see, guys?
Yeah, go and show them.
Gee, I'm looking so bad.
But that's a very successful hat.
Sorry.
Bad Sharaf. Guys, she's single. Hit her up with this face only. Okay, next.
Okay, right now. Yeah. It's powder, and apply.
Which means I have to eat it.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm eating all crap.
See, I'm so lucky, bro.
तेल हो गया, लिपस्टिक हो गया, पाउडर.
Apply, yeah. Okay.
पूरे मुंह
Yeah, I
पे
think so. I should eat it. I'll eat it and then apply it. Yeah. Okay. So.
बंदी
I'll have
तेज
it.
निकल गई.
I'll have
मौज कर दी.
मौज कर दी वाह बेटे वाह
Oh, that's very nice.
Welcome to the club.
Bro, seriously, कौन सा taste करना?
Yeah, it is powder.
Sorry. Very. और सब. मैं गोरा करते ना. थोड़ी tan हो गई ना. Let's do गोरा.
Oh my god.
तू फॉरेनर लग रही है अभी रशियन. बोल रशियन वाला बोल.
And see, wait for it. Okay,
पागल
guys.
हो गया.
So आप लोगों को तो काफी मजा आ रहा होगा. Let's go for the next one.
मेरे को भी अभी मजा. Alright. Oh God, don't say. Oh no.
It's ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
I like ginger garlic paste ka taste.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Seriously.
And Auntie hates it. That's
I
the reason I will
hate it.
wear it. I will wear it because I want Auntie to eat it.
Oh God, no.
ये जलेगा क्या बाद में?
Seriously, you wanna wear it? Think it.
Then you have to wear it.
I don't mind.
I just hope it. मेरा skin is already like messed up with so much pimples and all. I can wear put it on my arms, right?
नहीं
अच्छा अभी आज सब कुछ मुंह पे लगने वाला है.
Sweet.
ठीक है, I'm wearing it, okay?
Oh God, seriously. I don't wanna eat it now. Wait. सोच ले. Oh God, तुझे सच में डालना है.
तुम लोगों को दिख रहा नहीं होगा, but wow, it smells so good.
Shit.
Yeah, and see how excited are you?
थोड़ा सा थोड़ा. Oh God, that's like too much, babe.
No, it's so yummy, Auntie.
Babe,
So इतना लिया है मैंने. It is not too much.
it's too much.
It's not.
I hate garlic.
This is ginger also. You like ginger?
I hate ginger too.
Come on, babe.
This what's wrong?
Ah, you can't go out of the frame. मेरा मुंह देख. Get some motivation and eat it. You have to just put it inside. Like just gulp it.
It's been like medicine, bro.
तू पान खा रही है सब बात
2,000 years later.
Bro, how are you?
Eat it. Mingle कर. Do it.
Do it
Oh shit.
It's so bad.
She actually hated it. Okay, she hates
Oh.
it. You want water?
No, it's okay.
Okay. That is finished. अगला भी आंटी मेरी दे धनाधन
मुझे
करने
अच्छा
वाली
मिलता
है.
है बस मेरे हाथ में.
Soya sauce.
Oh yeah.
Kids soya sauce.
Okay, then I can go. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Okay, are you eating it or are you wearing it?
I'll apply it, and you have to eat it. So
बदला. हाँ, you're applying now.
I don't mind applying this.
So weird.
Ting ting.
ए ऐसा ऐसा apply नहीं है क्या है?
अच्छा.
Hansi, no, you have to apply it.
Scrub.
Okay, I have to eat it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing it.
जो तुझे जितना दिया ना, हाँ.
This is.
थोड़ा सा.
You look so funny. I can't take you seriously.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं
Oh my god.
You want water? I think so.
No,
You're okay.
it's very salty. It's so strong. It's
Oh,
honey.
I
Okay.
hate it.
So
I can apply. अरे हम इतना खराब हो के तुम्हें अप्लाई कर देते
you're going to eat it. I'm going to apply it. No, you apply honey.
Ah, yeah.
You don't like honey?
No.
Then you eat.
अरे but it's like two. हाँ, okay. अच्छे
Should I
से
do like वो माजा के add?
सिंधु से थोड़ा start कर.
I want to start from here.
वो सीरम लगाने वाला फील दे रही थी। ओह गॉड, ओह वैक्स वाला फील आ रही थी।
Ah, it's dropping. मम्मी मैं इधर नहीं हूँ.
ओह गॉड, my hand are like.
Okay, that's like too much.
अभी डाल, अभी तो
It's
स्प्रेड
like
करना ही पड़ेगा।
it's dripping, guys.
I think so. You should spread it now.
That's what he said.
Okay, Ansi, come. ये क्या है? This is like.
Bro.
Am I a joke to you?
Yeah.
Open. It will start dripping now. Good. Good girl. You're eating honey. It's fine.
Oh god.
Okay, moving on to the next one. It's your turn actually.
Okay. God bless me.
अभी तो मेयोनेज़ सॉस सब बचा है यार.
It's Otto! I eat it, you wear it. I eat it, you wear it. I eat it, you wear it.
Shit यार. Shit! No!
No! God, please, no! No!
I feed you आटा. And
Wait, I'll wear it. You eat it.
हाँ ठीक है चलेगा.
फिर मैं तेरे को एक स्पून दूंगी पूरा.
हाँ.
सोच ले.
ठीक है.
You can't eat this. So seriously.
Okay. दो I think eating and even wearing आटा they both are like extreme risk.
Yeah.
So whichever it is हम लोग एक दूसरे को करने वाला है.
Okay. खिलाते हो, कितना खिलाने वाली थी मेरे को?
See, I would feed you this much
Okay, then I'll wear
and
it.
this much.
Okay, I'll wear it. Okay, यही तेरे को खिलाने वाली हूँ मैं.
It was at
Ready?
this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm
Steady.
sorry.
इसकी पूजा कितना खिलाने वाली है मेरे को कि तू वो खुद खाए. Ready? ये WhatsApp पे फैलेगा. Are you okay?
Just give it. Get done with it.
Okay. What is it? Yeah, speak.
Talk, I can't talk.
You can't talk? What happened to you? What's your name?
It's like
What is it?
cook there. No, it's just stuck.
किसको करना था ये चैलेंज? रिच और क्वीन यार.
तुम लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए ना अभी. अब बाकी
Okay,
it's all stuck.
Okay.
Then maybe why just not go all
That's
in?
okay.
It's already funny how she's gonna look at me. Dude, who's gonna clean all this?
Oh hi guys.
My mom is gonna flip after this.
Oh god, this one is. Be honest.
I would eat it because I really want something nice in my mouth right now.
Come on, eat it. It's good. Why is this like a
Fancy will be wearing it.
इतना?
It's not even visible, bro.
हो गया?
हाँ. I think mayonnaise कुछ इतना फर्क नहीं गिरा. मेरे
हाँ,
मुझे
सही
ज़्यादा
है.
दिखता. So now it's tomato sauce, the last thing. So Ansi is going to get it.
I'll eat it. I'll eat it. You wear it. इधर
Okay.
face इतना clean लग रहा है ना.
हाँ.
जो मुझे नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. Imagine कि मैं guest होके मैं इतनी ugly लग रही हूँ और तू इतनी सुंदर. ये बस ज़्यादा नहीं.
हाँ.
I'm not a sauce lover too.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hurry.
Come on, Annie. So easy.
Okay.
What are you gonna do to my face?
तुम क्या जानो? अच्छा बाबू.
सिंधु.
एक चिटकी सिंदूर.
बस. Oh my God, क्या है ये?
एक चिटकी सिंदूर की कीमत. तुम क्या जानो रे बाबू?
I have to take a bath, yeah. Oh, it's too much.
Okay, looking good. Now I'm looking like a daddy ma in place.
I look like a tomato.
नहीं इतना ज़्यादा बचा. Yeah. एकदम शेप में
That's
करके दिया
enough.
भैया सुंदर लग रहे हो आप तो.
I don't know what to say right now. I bought it on myself, so.
You know.
But you're still funny. So guys, that's it for today, and I really hope you guys liked the challenge. हमें ऐसे जलील होते हुए देख के आपको बहुत मजा आया होगा इज what I think. Last but not the least, I want to thank Ansi for actually signing up for this. And
Thank you.
so much, Ansi.
Thank
I
you.
would kiss you, but
No, thank you.
So, Baki, you all know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe
Subscribe.
to my channel. And comment down in the comment section what are the other challenges you all want me to do on my page. And tell me how you like it. Like, how you
I
like
didn't
this
like it.
masterpiece. My mom is like, I didn't like it. Bye guys, take care. As I always say, see you until next time. Peace. So, कौन है?
मम्मी ये देखो
मम्मी आ रही है।
देखो
ऐसे हमें
तू टेस्ट कर लिया